Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So Meta cuts off third-party access using their API to Facebook groups. So this means that unfortunately starting from 22nd of April, so next week, basically the AIOMATIC plugin will no longer be able to post to Facebook groups regardless if you are an admin or not of the group. So just a heads up that Meta will remove support for group posting from their API, and because of this, the AIOMATIC plugin will also not be able to post to groups anymore starting from next week. So this is regarding also only the groups, not also the pages, because the AIOMATIC plugin will be able to continue to post to Facebook pages, and this is only for groups. So if you are using group posting, be aware that the AIOMATIC plugin will not be able to post to groups anymore from 22nd April 2024, because Meta cuts off third-party access to Facebook groups. And yeah, this is a really interesting move, because they did not give a reason for why they do this. Yeah, not sure. They have probably some hidden reasons for this. I will leave these two links in this video's description, so go ahead guys and check details on this. Add or remove an app from a Facebook group your admin will not be able to be made, no longer be available starting from 22nd April 2024. So unfortunately AIOMATIC is affected by this. You can check AIOMATIC, it is linked in this video's description, as it will be able to continue to post to Facebook pages. As I mentioned, this affects only Facebook groups, so if you want to automatically post your content to Facebook pages, AIOMATIC is still a good option for you. Okay, so yeah, if you have any ideas why Facebook or Meta did this change to their API and why they are restricting groups right now, let me know in the comments, because I am also really interested in finding out why this happened. So yeah, okay, so thank you for watching. Any idea, suggestion is welcome in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.